In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Slack with Make.com, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to build a simple workflow that reacts to activity in Slack and does something useful with it, all inside Make.com. First, sign into your Make.com account. If it's your first time, just use your regular login and you'll land on the dashboard. From there, create a new scenario. A scenario is Make.com's term for a workflow, a chain of steps that starts with something happening and ends with something getting done. Give it a clear name so you can find it later. Inside the scenario editor, click the plus button on the canvas and search for the Slack app. You'll see a list of Slack modules appear. At this point, decide whether you want to start with a trigger or begin with an action. A trigger starts the workflow when something happens in Slack. For example, you might want the scenario to kick off when a new message appears in a channel. This is perfect when Slack activity should drive your automation. An action, on the other hand, tells Slack to do something as part of the workflow. That could be posting a message, adding a reaction, or creating a channel. Actions are great when Slack is the place you want to send updates or results. Next, set up a connection between Make.com and Slack. When prompted, authorize Make.com to access your Slack workspace. Choose the workspace you use, review the requested permissions, and confirm. If you don't see the channels you expect later, it may be because the app needs access to private channels or has limited permissions, so adjust those in Slack if needed. Now configure your Slack module. If you're using a trigger, pick the event type such as new channel message and select the channel you want to monitor. If you're configuring an action, choose what you want Slack to do and fill out the fields like the destination channel and the text to send. Use clear, test-friendly content so you can verify results easily. To expand your automation, add other modules and connect them to Slack. You can send message data to tools like Monday.com, Dropbox, or email, and map fields from the Slack trigger to the inputs of those apps so the right information flows through. When you're ready, click Run Once to test. Perform the event in Slack, like posting a message to the chosen channel, and watch the scenario execute. Check the output and fix any missing fields or permissions. When it looks good, save and turn the scenario on so it runs automatically. And that's it. You've automated Slack with Make.com.